Hi, it's me Pinky Solomon. I'm back again. I hope you're all doing good. In this video, I'm just going to do styles with winter scarves. See, I have only very few collection. See, can you see this one? Black. This is magical scarf available in the market in different colors. You can have black, pink and beige. And then this one brown and black, and this one blanket scarf, and this one again magical scarf, pink color, dark pink, my lovely color. Yes, yeah. So I'm going to do now with this. I'll start. See this one, rectangular winter scarf with the tassels. You see the tassels. Rectangular winter scarf. Just see, yeah. First one, just drape around your shoulder and wear like this. Very simple. And if you want, you can put, if you want, you can wear belt over here. Second one, as usual, just length, rectangle lengthwise, same ends I have taken. This length, same ends I have taken. And then I'm just holding at the back. And then pull like this. Pull like this. And see what I'm doing. See, the purpose of wearing winter scarf is, if you cover your neck, that's enough, that will do. You can protect yourself from winter. See, just adjust until you feel it's okay. Until you feel comfortable. You see, the purpose of holding the two ends of the same side is so that if you pull like this tassels, can you see? They'll come like in the V shape. So, it's nice, no? Yeah, beautiful it is. Yes. Over. I'm done with the second one. Now the third one. See, second one, I hold the two ends of the length. Now the opposite or the diagonal ends I'm just going to hold. Just see this one and come to the same end and then travel to the opposite end and then hold like this. You will get a twist. You will get a twist like this. Again the same technique. Just pull. Pull. After pulling this, if you want, you can just leave like this. See, it's covering my neck totally. Or else, what I can do, like the previous one, just leave the tassels like that and wear like this. You can hold. Yeah, beautiful, no? I'm coming a little closer to show my tassels. Yeah, see, the winter scarves mostly they come with tassels because the scarf will not actually, the tassels only will enhance the look of the scarf. Otherwise it will be like just like a blanket only. It won't look like a scarf. Okay, next, my usual way, just pleating, because breadth is or width is very less, plating is done so soon. And then hold like this, same level, and then insert your hand like this. This is the basic model. Even men also wear like this during the winter season. Basic one. What I did, Just insert your hand like this and take out. Yeah. In this itself, what you can do, if your scarf length is more, then you can take like this and tie at the back. And then, now I did like this, no? What I'm going to do, it has two tails. Just see, 1 and 2. One is a straight forward, so it will go straight into the loop. The other one is not a straightforward one. So it goes like this. Some people they talk like that, no, roundabout. So it's like that. So it goes like this and then again come out. Just see. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. See the pattern. Like weaving pattern, weaving pattern. Yeah. Over. So, same pattern I've done 2. Next. Just once and twice. You can leave like this. This is the basic one. And everybody knows to wear like this. But this is not the one I'm going to see. Just see. Just loosen this around your neck and insert your hand. How I'm inserting? Just go like this. Hold this one as if I'm fishing. Hold this one and then take like this. Now one hole is there or loop is there. The other end, because it's crying, no? So what you have to do? Take the other end through this hole, and if you want you can slightly tighten this and then over. Yeah, I'm just done. One second, let me try this. If your scarf is very big scarf, you can try like this. So I'm just saying, just insert. Yeah, done and done. See, and done. One second, I just adjust until it looks beautiful on you. Over. Yes. Over, no? Now again, don't disturb this. We came till here, no? After this, I'm just going to make 8. 8 means you need 2 round. One round is my neck. The other one is this one. So it looks like 8, no? So through the second ring, you come out. Again, you come out. All these patterns will keep you warm in this winter season. Even if you don't wear blazer or jacket, if you wear only the scarf like this, that will do for winter season. Just try. Now again it's not over. Again this 8. The previous one, what I did, I came out. Now one is this way out, the other one is opposite, this way. See? Again let me just see, 8, one is this, the other one is opposite direction. All nice weaving pattern. Over. Again the length is more, like the previous one, you can style yourself, otherwise just leave like that. Yeah, and then one second, so I told you, no, just quick. Yes, this wire is not leaving me. Just wear like this. It's a very plain one. After this you can wear like a shrug. Just hold this and hold this, and you just tie at the back. Tie at the back. And then if you want, again you can wear belt over here, or else just like a shrug. You can hold like this. See, in this winter season, no, always you just wear like this high neck t-shirt. That will partially protect you again. So, and then this is holding this end, and this end I did. Now inward ends I'm just holding like this, and then see, outward ends I just did like a shrug. Inward ends just do like this. Should come properly. Where is the tail? Yeah, this is one pattern, this is one style. Or else what generally I do, know, just take the, not only winter scarf, all the scarves, my usual ways. Here what I do, you know, just one put small knot, and you tie. How is it? Nice, no? Tassels are just coming in the middle like a bunch. Nice. So this is my usual way of wearing. And then what you can do, so one is like a shrug, the other one is, just 1 second, if you watch only you'll understand. See, opposite, here inward end, here also inward end, and you pull like this, and you tie at the back. Both should be of even height, I hope so. 1 second. Overlap, and then you wear like this, and you tie at the back, nice, no? Here you will get like the tassels will give a design pattern. And then if you are tired and seeing this video for a long time, I'll be back after some time. I'll be back. Bye. Bye.